I'm so very excited in this training, because in this training I have the many friends, many things, knowledge, and how to respond disaster. And also in this training I can learn how to teamwork, get experience, and happy, joyful. And I think it's this training we can make something a good, better from what our expectation before come here. Of course, the material or topic I like is about how to determine prioritizing of core problem, cause, sub-cause, activities, and also how to make the systematics of budget, what we need to make project or program in disaster program. I think we still need much knowledge about how to prevent disaster. Of course, Indonesia is have the many problem about disaster.
For this training, I get many kind of knowledge and skill, especially for the how to create the humanitarian response, to make a design of the proposal, the program from the goal until outcome, output, until the activity, and also design for the budget for this program. I'm very interested in that exercise because I'm as a volunteer for the training for the assessment. So we try to assess what the IDPs need. And we divide into three, for the children, the women, and the men. So we get what the humanitarian need for all of them, not only general, but for the specific. The training is very interesting for me. Very nice, facilitate, very nice, and everything nice.
I know that I have many knowledge, and when I get or when I learn this training, first is about clarification of disaster. So I know that disaster is, we must say this is a disaster when the big incident make most people or more people, their activity is disrupted. Disaster make our daily activity is very disturbed. We cannot eat, we cannot get a food or water and others. My memory get the most or remember about the humanitarian program. Like that is, if we, as we are a volunteer and help the victim, we are must don't look the victim by the gender and the sex, because there is a victim and there are need our help. So don't look from the sex and gender. And the last is, I know we are a volunteer, we must know what the priority in the disaster, because we must know what the first priority, what the second priority, and what the last priority. Like that is, if one incident like this is tsunami, we must know the basic needs from the victim, like food, water, and others.
I hope this training is not stop here, but we still need the other training or to make better than what we are now, what we have, and what the experience we have and we learn in this training. Thank you, ELCA, Evangelical Lutheran Church America. You are so excited, you are so good, because you give us opportunity to learn, to work together, and of course we can have a joyful in this our program, especially in this training. Thank you, God bless you.
Our message is for the organization. First, I would like to say thank you for the organization, and then we can work together between our organization, CDRM CDS, and National Committee Lutheran World Federation in Indonesia. And also for us participants, especially for organization and also church organization, because Indonesia is a large of disaster, we can work together to respond the disaster, so everyone can save their life during the disaster. I would like to say thank you for the ELCA, Evangelical Lutheran Church in America, that organize and facilitate this training and invite us as organization, as a partner, so we can work together to save our life and increase our community, especially to respond the disaster.
My impression in this training is I get the more or a new friend, and I'm fun. I'm so happy and enjoy in this training. And that is, I hope my knowledge, my activity in this training, I can implication in our lives. I want to say big thank you for ELCA, because they are sponsored this training, and thank you very much. Jesus bless you.